Lana ke ngicela ukubuza, uma ngabe kuthiwa wena unayo logic nengqondo yakho futhi isebenza kahle awuloyiwe, ungaba kanjani nenkampani yama security, a security company egada izigebengu lapha emzini yabantu naseyinkampanini nakuma institutions, uqinisekise zokuphepha at the same time wena futhi uphinde uqhamuke neprogram nesolution eqeda ubugebengu completely permanently? Awuboni ngani ukuthi that's a conflict of interest? Awuboni ngani ukuthi uya counter intuitive lapho? Ubani usazoqasha lenkampani yakho? Because wena you made your company to be obsolete. Akasekho ozoyiqasha because wena you came up with a permanent solution. Yabona kule system le esikuyona, these problems they don't come up with permanent solutions la le system irana ngawo lama problems. So these problems there is no need for them to be permanently solved according to those people who benefit from the system, right? They know exactly. So ibheke iphike lenkulumo le ibheke la. Today I want to touch on the topic of health, wealth and education. I want to touch on those three things, yabo? Because into engiyibonayo la, when it comes to health, education and financial education, they don't provide permanent solution, but they are just curing, yabo? Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha uthi ngenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona into ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. They are curing. They are not preventing. Yabo? Uma ukhuluma nge health care education, if we are talking about nje i-education ephathelene nezempilo, ukugula ubafundiswa bona lapho ukuthi ukutreata kanjani sekuvelile ukugula, udila kanjani nako. Bayigodlile le information yokuthi ukugwema kanjani kona ukugula ukuthi kuze kufike la kuleso stage. No, they are on the receiving end, yabo? Akufunda ukuthi ukugwema kanjani, because uma uzofunda lapha ukuthi ugwema kanjani ukugula lapha kuma institution from a primary, high school, tertiary level, uzofundisa ukuthi ukulapha kanjani lokugula lokho, yabo? Ukulapha kanjani lokugula lokho. That's what they deal with mangabe sekuvelile. If kuukuthi bayakufunda ukuthi ukugwema kanjani completely, curing it, not even curing it, preventing it from occurring at all, bekumele engabe they know ukuthi kunezinto ekumele abantu bengazidli, kunezinto ekumele zingafakwa at all ekudleni, ekumele ngabe kuyicala because those things zikhoza kona lokhu kugula lokho. Bayakwazi ukwakha imithetho if they want to prevent something. They know how to design those laws. But if something favors them, they don't design those laws. Because there's a benefit ekuguleni. There's a benefit ekuthenini ugula. Uyaqabanga ibenefit ekhona kwi-system ngokugula kwabantu ukuthi inganani. I-medical aid, yabo? Pharmaceutical companies, yabo indaba? Ama professions are developing. The system is running smoothly just because when you have been introduced to goods that cause you a sickness and disease in your body. So by them introducing you to those things and putting those things into products that you consume, so they benefit. Bekumele ngabe kuyicala ukuthi ufake into enjalo. Azikho organic nje lezi zinto. Yabo? Ngobani na? Uyazi nje qala. Uyabona ushukela is responsible for more than 100 diseases emzimbeni womuntu. Ushukela. If they want to really cure these things of hypertension, these things of cardiovascular diseases, they know exactly where to cut this thing. Kusizana ukusula amanzi ngezansi ebengena ngenhla. They know exactly. uyazi ukuthi umuke wayibamba kushukela indaba unqoba izifo eningabi engeke sibe khona ngisho isidingo sawo wonke lama profession and all these medical aids and all of these things. So le education yabo ke igxila kwi curing. So ngicela understand ngeke bekwazi ukuqhamuka wena omele uyicabangela ukuthi udlani ngoba bona angeke beze bedile nokuthi wena zifunele lo information ukuthi kumele uphile kanjani. Yabo le information etholakala ku mainstream ephathelene ne health la ku mainstream, lo information leyo hayi just an information nje mfethu, it's an information nje weak futhi sometimes yabo, but i-information yamampela ile onga accreditwa ngayo. Angiwele ngize la ngisakhuluma ngale yonto. Uyabona i-financial education yabo lo ifundayo lapha esikoleni leyo ayiprepare wena ukuthi wena iba wealthy, wena ayixoshi ilokhu ngana leyo ukuthi ube isiqila a qualified slave. Ayixoshi lokho leyo, ayixoshi, iyakuphepheshwetha wena ukuthi qhubeka ube isisebenzi. Ayifocus ku ownership, focus kusena nobe employee, ayifocus kule quadrant yani business and investment, but focus kakhulu kule salary. Kumele ube employable, wonke umuntu mefundela uqashwa nje yabo. So ayizi ne permanent solution vele nayo up until wena you read ezinye incwadi eceleni ongezo even accreditwa ngokuthi wazi lezo zinto, but they can make you millions if not billions of rands and dollars ngaphezulu. Like your millionaire next door, like your rich dad poor dad, like your rich dad poor dad 4 quadrants. Yabo lonto le, The Richest Man in Babylon. I haven't read that book, but I also remember that The Millionaire Next Door, I just read it because of numbers. I just halt reading it going further. But I know that there are some people who are very, very fascinated to read that book and who enjoyed that book. But at least for me, it was too much numbers there. But Rich Dad Poor Dad, the psychology of money, those by Joseph. Who is that one? Is it Joseph Murphy? No, I don't think it's Joseph Murphy. It's Mogul, something Mogul, somewhere there. Psychology of money. Lezo ncwadi ukufunda lezo ncwadi, you can well position yourself to be a multi-millionaire person. Kodwa lezo zinto ngeke uyithole lapha esikoleni, lezi zinto engikhuluma ngazo awucabange along those lines lapha. So le nto uyabona ukuthi ayi prevent lento ukuthi sibe ne working class, ayi prevent lonto. Le education system, le financial education system ayi prevent, iyacure nje yona. Ngoba angeke izikufundisa ukuthi how to make money, but it will teach you how to manage somebody else's money, not how to make your own money. Do you know, humble check the richest people in the world, is it not many of them that they dropped out? Angisho ukuthi dropping out ngiyakuphasisa, but ngikutshela ukuthi mina kumele ubuke ukuthi ufunani. Uqeda isikole ku right futhi ngiyakurecommenda ngoba kumele i-education kunezinto ezu4 ekumele ukuthi kunikeze zona, kumele ukuthi uyithole, but at least ke lesesikoleni ezokunikeza ezu3, right? Asikho ke lapho, but kulungile qeda. Kodwa ungacabanga ukuthi wena istarter leso akuyona i-end leyo, lo ndlela yakho ihambayo yokuthi ufunda qeda hamba usebenza. Istarter leso to get to a certain level, then from that level you go. Mase usufika esigabeni esithile you will realize ukuthi lento le ngiyenza la I'm not getting anywhere. It's like I'm going in circles. Bese uyaqala ukufunda ihlobo olunje lwezincwadi. Ngithi yabo ungenza abanye abantu bebe rich and wealthy ngawe. Ngoba ni education oyitholile lapha ka mainstream. But ke uzofunda uqede kodwa ingqondo yakho izovuleka uma usuka level ethile, ungakujahi lokho. La system into kumele uyazi, ngisho umuntu owathi wakho petrol ngoplastic abamdumisanga ngoba babazi ukuthi bazoluza imali bona, abazange bemdumise lo muntu loyo.